Ready? 3, 2.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Good morning. My name's Thayne Jackson, and you're watching Saucin. So today we're going to take a shot at something that's called the peanut butter and jelly sandwich. That's what you might know it as, but I know it as the cement that fills the cracks in my heart, because it's good old reliable. Now we're going to craft what I like to call the Saucin butter and jelly sandwich. This is no ordinary peanut butter and jelly sandwich. See, you could have it your grandma's way. 2 pieces of bread, cold, nothing wrong with it. Peanut butter and jelly. But we're going to elevate it a little bit. We're going to fry this thing like you would at the Nebraska State Fair. So, we're going to take Skippy, creamy peanut butter. It's nice peanut butter puree. Big old globs. You want a lot. You want all those calories. We're not going to waste any calories. We're not going to waste any gluten. We love gluten. We're going to take that. We're going to take a nice strawberry reduction. Spray big old globs on there. You can use strawberry. You can use huckleberry. You can use black cap. You can use blueberry, raspberry. Don't use grape. Grape jelly sucks. And if you like it, kind of questionable. It's okay though. I love you anyways. We're gonna turn that on. We're not gonna get it going super hot because we'll burn it. I've done it before. It's really sad. Still good, really sad. So we're gonna get that going, medium low heat. There's really no reason to do anything above that when you're cooking. Sometimes people do that and it'll burn it, and that's just not what you want. So unless you're searing something, just do medium heat. That's all you gotta do. So we're gonna get that heating up real quick. You can use butter. Always bare hand your butter. No better way to do it. It's very exfoliating. We're gonna get this going. Melt that butter on the pan a little bit. Get yourself a good surface area to work with. Yeah, this is a pool of butter. Loch Ness butter. Put that right on there. Get that little sizzle going for your toast. Get that going. Rinse that exfoliating butter off. And right now, all you want to do is let that go nice and low and slow. There we go. Dry. Nice and low and slow. There's no reason to rush this. Sit here, look at it, talk to it, sing it a hymnal, something like that. Let it know you care. You want that to start crisping up just a little bit. Like I said, all it's going to do is take its time. You don't want to rush it because you'll burn it. Sorry, I got caught up in the sound of the crackle. See if you can hear that. Bet you didn't know this was an ASMR video, but it is. Here we are. All right, now we're going to take genuine potato crisps, fried in avocado oil, crinkle cut nonetheless. We are going to make ourselves just a nice little layer. Little blanket. We're just going to pull the blanket over this jelly. And one more for good measure. All right. We'll see how that guy's looking. Pretty good. I would say pretty good. That's really hot. That's, you know, this isn't just a cooking show. This is a show that teaches you how to toughen up. Yeah. Let that go. Low and slow. That's the motto. Shout out to Drake. Watch, I'm doing that. The entire side just gets scorched. It's like, oh, there goes your change. Oh, ooh, that's hot. That's pretty. That's pretty. Let's go ahead and take a picture of that. This is what you do. You steal your little brother's phone when you need to do that. You need to take a shot outside of the take. This is an Android. I don't know how to operate this. Where is the camera? Oh, there's the camera. Shout out to Android. video. All right. And now put your little brother's phone back out of reach to where he can't use it. We're going to flip this. That's nice and toasty. See, I like toasting it like this because as opposed to a toaster, you know, you put it in a toaster, it's going to dry out the entire thing. It'll be nice and crispy, nothing wrong with that. But with this, it's going to be nice and crunchy on the outside, very warm and buttery on the inside. That's what we all need in our lives. So now it's time to send it to Valhalla. Get your trusty kitchen axe. If you don't have a kitchen axe, get one. Vastly improved my life. I love just hot dogs, hamburgers, carrots. Nothing stands up to it. Go ahead and slice it and treat yourself to a nice and toasty, melty, crunchy sauce and butter and jelly sandwich. Stay saucy. But I know it as the cement that fills the cracks in my heart. The peanut butter sandwich.
Maybe start the video like that.
Because we're only doing one take. And now we wait. We wait. So we're gonna have potato chips. If you find one that's like that, it's all folded, eat it. You can't use it on a sandwich. Eat that one too. Little crispy boy. That's hot. All right. Let that burn off. You don't need essential oils. You need burning peanut butter. That's what you need. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Check out my Instagram @TheSmokinYeti. And if there's anything you want to learn how to cook, go ahead and leave a comment and we'll get to saucing.